If you have choose Visual Studio for the development, it's a great editor to work with. It have ton of options to speed up our work process, and even we can add multiple predefined methods with just a click. You can search and open a specific script by searching here. I want to search and open debug example. Hit enter or select the script. Press Command Shift M or Control Shift M on Windows to open a Windows Unity event functions. Check the fixed update method and select the insertion point and click on Add. It will add the selected method in your script. Simple is that. Placing my cursor at line number 8 to add the next method at this point. Let's open the window again, Command Shift M, and adding the wake method at here. This time I will be adding a method after the fixed update. Open the window and select the method. I'm selecting a late update. Also check the generate method comments. Insertion point is after fixed update and click on add. This way it will add the method after the fixed update. And this time it also added a comment as we have selected that option. We can also search for a specific method. Let's search for the on enable. And we can add even multiple methods at once. Now let's search for the on disable and select it. Let's also search and select on destroy, and this time our insertion point will be after the update method. Also checking generate method comments, and here we have the information what we are going to add. In Visual Studio, it's a very nice way of adding a predefined methods. To comment out the line of code, select the line of code and press shortcut key Command/. You can press Command/ from anywhere on the line. You don't have to be at the start. You can even select multiple lines, a block of code to comment out using the same Command/. And to uncomment the line of code, simply press the same Command/. And the same way select the block of code and press Command/ to uncomment all code. And the next is rename a variable while updating all the references. Select the variable and press Command R and update the variable. It will update all the variable references. And now everywhere we have value 1 instead of value A. Let's try this again with the value B. Press Command R. And this time we will change it to value 2. And that's how it's simple in the Visual Studio to change a variable name in the complete script. In case you was making a prototype and you never focus on the naming, that's how you can update all the naming to a proper naming. Next we have increase or decrease the font size. You can use the shortcut key Command- to decrease the font size and Command+ to increase the font size. To view all the Visual Studio commands, open Visual Studio, select Preferences and go to Key Bindings. And these are almost all the commands used in the Visual Studio. Description is also written in front of the commands. You can learn all the commands from here. I will be scrolling a bit to show you these commands. And next we have how you can change the code color theme. In the preference window, open the color theme tab. This is the first thing I change whenever I install the Visual Studio the first time. And these are the different themes are available in Visual Studio. You can choose any theme according to your liking. I will be switching back to dark theme and close the window. And the last we have to format the code. Select the block of code and press Shift Tab to make the code on the left and press Tab to make the code on the right side. And further we have these list of commands and we have demonstrated few of them in this video. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.